Hello and welcome guys, and in previous modules we covered our product page and the collection page, and now we do have a solid design in our hand, and we are still using the free theme. And now we are going to work on the cart page. Basically the cart page, we can redirect them to the cart page, so we can redirect them to the cart page, or it's better if they still stay on this page. So let me show you what I mean. So if a person is in our product page, and or in this page for example, so if I add this to cart, and it's been taking me to this particular page, what is happening is it's taking me to this page, but we are redirecting from one page to another. That means we'll have to also, like, the customer would not see all the products, and also would also make things, or navigation will have to the customer will have to navigate back once again to get other products or add other products to cart. A better solution would be using a cart drawer, which is in Shopify. We can go in settings, and we can select the cart drawer. Depending upon the theme, we can select the cart drawer, and yeah. So let's do it now the other way. So if I add this to cart and we have a cart drawer, you'll see it way much better, and this looks way much professional. And people, the customer would still stay in this page without even going to the cart page. So people can, or customer can check out from over here, and yeah, they are easily, these things are easily accessible. And if a person want to remove anything from the cart without going to the cart page, they can simply remove it from over here. So that is one important step you should be following. And in the cart drawer, we can have multiple things. We can ensure that the cart drawer is using small fonts. For that, again, I have my theme which does that in particular. And when the cart drawer is empty, we are still selling something. All right. So Shopify does provide us with this cart drawer, which has an inbuilt collection which we can upsell if the cart is empty. And again, I'll also, I do have created the theme which does have other options, or multiple collections can be shown in the empty cart, or we can upsell some products in our cart page also. Once the cart is full, like filled with some products, then also we can put some products in there, or upsell some products from over there. So you can just check out my theme, and you'll see a lot of options there. All right. So yeah, that is it for this cart page, I guess. And one final fix which I believe should be there. So if we see this sale badge is down at the bottom, we can change the position of the badges to top right, top left, or right, depending upon what we need. Usually it's in top right looks better. So right or top left looks better. So I'll just put it in top left, so the badge would appear over here, which gives, again, which changes lots of things. And we can have other badges over here, like top seller or something like that. All right. Yeah, so that completes our cart page, and let's head on to the checkout page now. For checkout, we'll have to go into our checkout, and then in checkout we can add a few things. We can add our branding, which is the logo over here, and we can align the logo to be left, right, or centered depending upon our requirements. All right, and then we can add a background image if needed. Usually it's not required, but you can put some branding color over here, and uh, so over here we can have some background image, somewhat like this possibly. So yeah, like that matches your branding and the background too for this part. So I'll just use this for now, just to show you that how it's how does it look. All right, so this is how it would look with these two images and thing. Usually I would not require this, but you can again include certain things or images, or if you want the logo to be different, you can add more ads over here. That is for the free plan I'm talking about. But yeah, let's see, we can have the logo over here and maybe over here, or full width at the top. And let's see, we can choose the typography, like the font family which we should be using. And we can use a 3-page checkout or 1-page checkout, which Shopify nowadays provides. And yeah, we can simply go for a 1-page checkout, which is basically recommended nowadays, so that there is less page, person going to less less navigation in less pages. So everything is done in one go. And yeah, I guess this is all done, and we are ready to this completes the checkout page as well. So that is all, I guess, for this particular module. We can also customize what we need in our checkout page, like show tipping options in checkout, and different other options which would be available. So you can set it up as per your requirements, but yeah, it's completely optional, and you can simply customize it as per your requirement. So that would complete our module for this checkout and cart. Next we'll do the final settings and some final design changes on the home page. And you can add other pages like FAQ pages, or other pages you can add yourself. But yeah, that should complete this part. And next we'll do some final fixes and some final pages. And in the end, we'll do the final setup which would be required for us to get our first sales. All right, so yeah, that's it for now. And I'll see you in next module. And yeah, thank you so much, guys.